WordPress powers 38% of all the website across the internet online. Yes, 1 out of 4 websites existing online is published and created in WordPress. It shows the popularity of the platform, isn't it? This is Amit from Mentoring Entrepreneurs and Technocrats. In this video, we are going to learn about WordPress. WordPress is a CMS framework or a content management system which is developed in the year 2003. So there is a confusion whether it's a programming language or a framework. So the answer is, it's not a programming language exactly, but it is developed in a programming language called PHP, and it is a content management system or a framework which is used to create websites very fast. So the benefits of the WordPress websites makes it very popular. One of the benefit is it is 100% open source and free. That means you are free to use WordPress for creating any type of website for any client or for commercial use. There is no licensing or there is no licensing cost involved. Secondly, it's very versatile and easy to use. Whether you are a beginner or you are running the company or the business of your own, it's very easy to learn WordPress and start developing. That is the second advantage. The third advantage is it's very easy to find the solution to the issues which you might face in WordPress. Since it is very popular, there are lots of articles, there are lots of videos, and there are lots of forums in WordPress. So you can learn things by yourself. You can extend the features by yourself using WordPress. When you learn advanced WordPress, there will be a time when you can develop the features by yourself. You can invent and create the design by yourself in the WordPress. So when you install the WordPress, you get the basic source code which you can easily extend and advance based on your choice, and you can customize it. Hence it is 100% customizable platform. The next advantage is there are thousands of libraries available which many programmers worldwide have developed. So any features you want to use when you are working on WordPress website, you can just use those libraries. You don't need to develop the code from scratch. What you do in PHP, you don't need to develop it from the scratch. Hence, you can use those libraries, make it execute very faster. So, the website which you are creating in 10 days of time, if you are using WordPress website, the timeline gets 50% reduced. So, the same website you can develop in 5 days, which is very excellent, and that makes WordPress as the most popular framework in today. The next point is the difference or the confusion between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So the things which we discuss comes in WordPress.org. As in the previous video, we discussed WordPress as a website builder. So that is WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a ready-made website builder, a ready platform where you don't need to bother about a domain or you don't need to bother about hosting. Everything is there, hosted, self-hosted in the WordPress platform itself. So that has a free service as well as paid service. And then you can create blogs and the sites on your own using WordPress.com. But it has certain limitations that you need to pay to get rid of those limitations, which is not found in WordPress.org. WordPress.org is other name of WordPress platform which is self-hosted and which you can host on your own. You don't need to rely on WordPress company or a WordPress platform to make your website online, neither you need to pay them. So it's 100% open source and free. So that was the main difference of WordPress.org, which is 100% versatile and which you are going to use as compared to WordPress.com as a blogging platform or a website builder platform. So to get started, what you need? So first thing is you need a computer system or laptop to execute thing. Second thing is a localhost server. Now we will see in later videos how to set up a localhost server, but in short I will only mention that you can use XAMPP, LAMP or MAMP as a software to set up server in your system. So that is the second part which you need to start with WordPress. The third part is the download of a WordPress installation. All the links are given in the description which you can easily find. Click on the link and go to the download section and you can download this thing and start working on the WordPress. In the next videos we will be learning more how we can create website in WordPress, how we can customize websites in WordPress, how we can do several settings in WordPress. So if you like this video, please share and spread the word, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that when you get a new content, you will get the notification. See you in the videos. Bye.